guys, it's Sally Orson here. Today we're going to be playing Dark Deception. Hope you guys
Dark Deception.
enjoy this. It's finally time that I finally upload a video on my PlayStation. Because all I've been doing is upload videos on my teacher's computer. But now I'm finally not doing that.
Oh,
Well-
come on. You disappoint me, love. You really do. So many fears. So many desires. I thought you'd be bigger.
Well, I'm still gonna be uploading videos on the PC.
Don't look so confused. I know everything you've got hidden in that brain of yours. I know all the terrible things you've done. So many good intentions laid to waste. I could see the regret eating away at your soul.
Okay?
But now your time has come, and here you are, to grovel and beg.
What do you mean? I'm not begging.
You can't go back. Only death awaits you there now.
Does that mean that I'm dead?
Fear not, love. You've got potential. I see it in you. And I can help change your fate. But if
Really?
you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer quite a bit to get it.
What do you mean suffer? I guess no answer. Björns's ballroom.
The pieces to a powerful ring are hidden in nightmares behind each of these portals. Find them and bring them to me, and you'll get your wish. Fail, and you'll find there are fates far worse than death awaiting you here.
Björns, I don't want to burst your bubble, but can you pull your shirt up? Because I can kinda... never mind.
Clock's
Why?
ticking.
What do you mean clock's ticking? Monkey business.
What a charming little hotel.
Okay.
Bring back any memories?
No. And for service. Room service. Anyone? Oh, Jesus, he's scared. Room for one. Duh. Why are there two of you? Jeez. Jeez. Why did I get scared over a cutout? Okay, how many cutouts? Hello? Is anyone? Are we in?
Going up?
Yes. What buttons? Up, up, down, up. What are even these? That is literally an eye.
Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal?
Yeah?
Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze. Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here.
What's this?
Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours.
Wait, this is the ring piece?
One more thing. You're not alone.
What?
There are monsters in here, and they're looking for you. Here, you'll need this. It can detect each shard's location. It was left by the last guest to disappoint me.
Oh. What did he end up? Dead? Like me? Okay, circle. Where's soul shard? Oh, and there's a running option. I don't got a good feeling about that. What the heck? That's why they have a running ticket. God dang! Enemy done. Oh no, this is what they look like. That's disgusting. Is there a way to turn up our sensitivity? Camera sensitivity. Much better. The kitchen? Wait, hold on. It might be risky, but I'm gonna go back in the kitchen to see if I can break their ankles. I think this has never been tested before. I'm gonna try it out anyways.
You've gathered half of the shop. I would have thought you'd have been shredded by now.
We'll see when we get to the kitchen.
It's here.
Never mind.
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway.
What do you mean? I'm a girl.
You've gathered half of the shards. I'm impressed. I would have thought you'd have been shredded by now.
Then I just got shredded.
Jeez. If you don't let them stab you in the face.
Jesus. That scares me so bad. What's it say on my map? Jesus! Note. Note to self, you can't break ankles. Jeez! What is that troll? There's secrets? Oh, actually, there's secrets? What's it from?
I hope you choke.
Holy cow, there is multiple monkey flunkies. The last one. Last one! No, go! Oh wait!
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monster will go into a frenzy. Get to the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Who's Mr.? It's just one monkey. What one monkey can cause? An earthquake? What the heck? Before we get out of... What the heck?
Who dares?
Shoot, he knows you're here now. You need to escape. Get to the portal. Hurry!
I can't even pause it. What the heck? No, no, no!
Run! Run!
What? What?
There's no escape for you, mortal.
What do you mean, mortal? I'm a ghost! How many did I collect? Years.
Good. You made it. And I see you met my friend sooner than I was expecting.
You had a friend. Why is it a big giant eye?
Beers. Still so persistent after all this time. Do not listen to her, mortal. She's
The
just
ghost.
using. Give her the ring, and there will be consequences.
Okay. Your freaking eye and Pierce is a living person.
This is your only warning. Help her, and you will suffer.
More like you will suffer because you're the only way when I get a needle and I will poke you in the eye.
Pay no attention to him. His powers cannot reach you here.
Okay.
The ring piece. Place it on the table. Now!
Jeez. At least say please.
It's been so long.
What do you mean it's been so long? You know, you're whispering and there's subtitles.
The ring is called the Riddle of Heaven. An ironic name, don't you think? A
No.
demon's power is contained inside it. The creature of infinite cruelty that you just met. Malik.
Malik. Okay. Now what did I tell you? Pull up your shirt.
Complete the ring, and you can use Malik's power to fulfill your darkest desires. Or so the legend goes.
Okay. Oh, we're back.
8 more pieces to go. Are you ready for another nightmare?
Are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And chapter. To be continued in chapter 2. Well, she seems like a creepy girl. Oh, wow. But this was only the demo version. So maybe, just maybe, I might have enough to buy the Super Dark Deception full version of it. So I'll see you guys in the next video.